Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, it's essential to understand a few key things about Setmore's cancellation policies. First, Setmore allows you to cancel your subscription at any time. When you cancel a paid plan, your subscription will continue until the end of your current billing period. This means you'll still have access to the premium features until that period elapses, and your subscription won't automatically renew. This is a pretty standard practice for subscription services, giving you the full value for what you've already paid. Second, if you're looking to simply deactivate your booking page and pause taking new appointments without completely deleting your account, Setmore offers that option too. This is great for temporary breaks, seasonal businesses, or if you're just taking a hiatus. You can reactivate it anytime, and you won't lose your existing appointments or customer data. This is different from a full account deletion, which is what we'll primarily focus on today, but it's worth noting as a less permanent alternative. Third, and very importantly, if you're on a paid plan and decide to cancel, Setmore generally has a non-refundable policy for subscription payments, as outlined in their terms of use. However, they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for new pro or team members who upgraded directly through the Setmore web app. If you fall into this category and are within the 30-day window, you can request a full refund by downgrading and emailing their support team at help@setmore.com with trial period refund in the subject line, along with your account email or business name. It's crucial to note that refunds for upgrades made via Google Play or the Apple App Store cannot be processed by Setmore directly, as those are handled by the respective app stores. So, check where you made your purchase. Finally, before you hit that delete button, consider backing up any essential data. Setmore allows users to export bookings, customer information, and other relevant data in CSV format. It's always a good practice to have a copy of your records, especially if you plan to migrate to a new scheduling system or simply need to retain historical data for your business. Don't leave valuable information behind. Alright, with that context laid out, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How exactly do you cancel your Setmore account? The process is relatively straightforward, but it varies slightly depending on whether you want to cancel a paid subscription or completely delete your account. We'll cover both scenarios. Scenario 1. Canceling a Setmore Premium, Pro or Team subscription, downgrading to free. If you're currently on a paid Setmore plan, Pro or Team, and simply want to stop the recurring payments and revert to the free basic version, here's how you do it. Log in to your Setmore account, go to the Setmore website, my.setmore.com, and sign in with your registered email address and password. Make sure you're logging into the account associated with the premium subscription you wish to cancel. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for your profile icon or name, usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings or Account and Plan Settings. The exact wording might vary slightly with Setmore updates, but it will be something along those lines. Find Account or Subscription Information. Within the Settings menu, you'll need to locate the section related to your account plan or subscription. This might be labeled Account, Subscription, or Billing. Click on it. Manage your plan. In this section, you should see details about your current Setmore plan, e.g., Pro, Team, or Free. There should be an option to change plan or manage subscription. Click on this. Downgrade or cancel. You'll typically be presented with options to upgrade, downgrade, or cancel your subscription. Select the option to downgrade to the free plan or to cancel subscription. Confirm cancellation. Setmore will likely ask you to confirm your decision, perhaps even offering a reason for your cancellation. Follow the prompts to complete the downgrade. Remember, your premium features will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. After that, your account will revert to the free plan, and you won't be charged further. Important note for mobile app purchases. If you purchased your Setmore Premium subscription through the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS, the cancellation process is handled directly through those respective app stores, not within the Setmore web application. For Android, Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap on your profile icon, top right. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find Set More Appointments in your list of subscriptions. Tap on it and then select Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions. For iOS, Apple App Store. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your name at the top. Tap Subscriptions. Find Set More in your list of subscriptions. Tap on it and then select Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts. Scenario 2. Permanently deleting your entire Setmore account. If you want to completely erase your presence from Setmore and remove all your data, this is the process for full account deletion. This action is generally irreversible, so be absolutely sure you want to proceed and have backed up any necessary data. Log in to your Setmore account. Just like with canceling a subscription, start by logging into your Setmore account via the web application, my.setmore.com. Access account settings. Again, click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner and select Settings or Account and Plan Settings. Find Account Settings or Delete Account. Within the Settings menu, look for a section specifically related to your account or general settings. It might be labeled Account, Account Settings, or even General. This is often located towards the bottom of the page or within a distinct tab. Locate the Delete Account option. Scroll down within this section. You should find a clear option to delete account or close account. This is often highlighted or presented as a final action. Confirm deletion. Setmore will typically prompt you with a warning message explaining the consequences of deleting your account, e.g., all data will be lost. This action is irreversible. They might ask you to confirm by entering your password or typing delete to acknowledge the finality of the action. Read these warnings carefully. Complete the process. Follow the final on-screen instructions to confirm and complete the deletion of your Setmore account. Once confirmed, your account and all associated data will be permanently removed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.